I will show you how to get the best adventure of your life in Jordan. Let's go. First stop, Petra. This ancient city carved into rose-red cliffs will leave you speechless. Next, the Wadi Desert, also known as the Valley of the Moon. Feel like an astronaut on Mars as you explore its stunning landscapes. Don't miss the Dead Sea. Float effortlessly in the salty waters and experience the ultimate relaxation. Head to Jerash, where you can walk through history in one of the best-preserved Roman cities. Hungry? Savor the flavors of Jordanian cuisine with a plate of mansaf, the national dish. Wrap up your journey in Amman. Explore the vibrant markets. And don't forget to visit the Citadel for panoramic city views. Jordan is full of surprises, and these hidden gems are just the beginning. So pack your bags and let the adventure begin.